Ohola ubufakazi advocate Garhele SC uqale wafunda isitatimende sika Major General Zinhle Mnonope oyisikhulu samahawks omisiwe nebekulindeleke ukuthi ethule ubufakazi namhlanje kodwa wathumela isitatimende kanye nencwadi kadokotela eqinisekisa ukuthi akaphilile njengoba kubuye ukuthi unokhwantalala futhi uhaqwe igciwane icorona. Kube sekuhlehliswa kuzokwethula ubufakazi bukaMnonope.
Application for the postponement of the hearing of Major General Zinhle Lutricia Mnonope is granted.
Njengamanje wethula ubufakazi uSandile July ongumqondisi kubameli beWerksman ubuzwe ngezitatimende ezenziwa uMatthew Sisoko ukhupha kanye noRobert McBride ngokungajabuli ngesinqumo sokuthi omunye wabo kufanele athweswe icala lokuphula umthetho kanye nokuphazamisa ukusebenza komthetho ngombiko wokuqala owenziwa.
They're supposed to do the investigation, and what do they do with the investigation? You come up with a report. Now, the question now is, what is it that they were investigating? Kuba was investigating rendition. What is that rendition? I know McBride wants to make a rendition an American concept. Rendition is rendition, and it's an illegal transportation of fugitives from one country to another country.
Kube wathi uma wenza uphenyo kufanele kwaziwe ukuthi olwane lolu phenyo olenzayo nanokuthi obani abathintekayo.
The illegality starts with the rendition, and the question is who was involved, at what level were they involved, right? And you then say, what then did IPID do? The IPID then did the investigation. At what point was the recommendation which was made on the 22nd of March was changed? I can tell you now, Chair, had it not because of McBride's employment at IPID, we would be having a 22nd January report. We wouldn't be here. You have an interim report. After interim report, it becomes what they call final investigative report. The other report is what they call closure report. That closure report talks about the archiving of the document within IPID.